Module 5 assignment outsourcing from Mohammad Shoabuddin. Outsourcing information technology or global IT sourcing (GITO) has come to be quite significant in the arena of multinational companies. Here we get the global outsourcing of information technology is referring to the activity that the third-party companies with headquarters in different countries are hired to complete some functional processes. This model enables business entities to pull in other firms with the goal of getting access to the problem investigation, complete and talent, and may help in turn to reduce operational expenditure. The process of IT outsourcing has made its way to companies when they try to survive in an atmosphere where technology is constantly changing at an alarming rate. Here we're going to discuss about some outstanding pros and cons of global information technology businesses. The first one is cost saving. One of the major benefits of IT is functional offshore is that a company has the ability to decrease its operating budget considerably by outsourcing it to the countries with cheaper labor. Second, the company communication barriers and shared technology providers in the market often have a readily available superior quality teams with expert skills in the latest technologies and domains. Next is the scalable and adaptable outsourcing offers electronic means that is quickly let businesses increase or reduce their IT resources based on their changing business needs. And the next is focus on core competencies. Delegating non-IT activities enables the organization to only focus on the key business objectives of the company and on its strategic initiatives. Some drawbacks are loss of control. It follows that after outsourcing some of the IT activities, that organization comes into hands of challengers of its direct control over processing includes improper communication and having different priorities. Security and privacy are the biggest challenges. The transfer of private information and knowledge with the outside parties may raise insecurity and privacy concern. Cultural and language barriers are one of the factors which should be taken into consideration, and collaboration with ET outsourcing partners of different nationalities and languages might result in the issue of communication breakdown. Hidden costs. In obtaining a higher budgetary numeracy, it must be kept in mind that what seems to be cost effective initially may result into additional costs that would be related to the management of the vendor, transfer of knowledge, and quality issues if not well factored in. The aim of POST is to elaborate on how Accenture as a global organization approaches information and technology strategy. Accenture, a well-known international professional services company regarded as one of the market leaders, incorporates an IT strategy that reflects its fundamentals, which includes helping clients explore new horizons in an innovative world through providing them with advanced solutions and services. The organization's IT strategy is aimed at utilizing up-to-date and initiative responsibilities technologies, building a culture of innovation, and delivering a fully integrated digital user experience for the clients as well as the workforce of the company. Accenture's IT strategy emphasizes the following key aspects. Accenture's IT strategy is cloud computing exists on a dual standard as its core or to IT environment. It accelerates growth, agility, and efficiency on one hand and on the other. AI and ML or artificial intelligence and machine learning as a part of strategy. The company is mobilizing significant investment in AI and ML technologies with the purpose of boosting service delivery. Cybersecurity and data privacy are today one of the best means of eliminating frauds. Since client data may be a sensitive nature, Accenture applies stringent measures for protecting the confidential information against cybersecurity gaps, as well as adopting strong data privacy protocols. Data transformation. Accenture's IT strategy aligns with the company's ambitious digital transformation agenda and facilitates introduction of digital solutions by leveraging state-of-the-art ICT technologies. Outsourcing analysis impact of information technology planning of Accenture. One of the key features of Accenture's service delivery model is the way that the company uses IT outsourcing in support of both its business processes along with the delivery services. Outsourcing of Accenture's IT strategy. Access to global talent. Joshua Simmons 2019. Through Accenture's outsourcing, the company can harness a global bank of skilled people so that special expertise and innovations that are yet to introduce locally can be drawn from. Cost optimization. Outsourcing IT services to build destinations with a low labor cost is a great way those costs go down while they are allowing Accenture to give its customer a good service. Scalability and agility. Through outsourcing, Accenture can quickly bring on additional resources or scale down the IT resources when necessary, and in such a way that flexibility and speediness of doing business are not affected. Instead, we will shift our efforts to core strengths. You can direct non-core IT functions to Accenture and keep your in-house resources concentrated on developing and delivering the core consulting and technology services. Though Accenture is aware of this, it is important that the company finds way to minimize and manage the risks it might face due to those partnerships and ensure that they align with the Accenture overall IT strategy. They shall be achieved with introduction of a strongly integrated vendor basic management processes, maintenance of the stable data security and privacy standards, and provisional of the well transmitted information, and collaboration with the outsourcing channels. To that, I conclude that international IT services provide profit and difficulties for organizations seeking to adopt a more technical skill or cut down on expenditure with a view to staying ahead of the moving competition curve in a volatile technology industry. The IT service provider Accenture has navigated the rapidly changing competitive landscape with the strategy of embarrassing outsources for access to the global talent pools, optimal operational costs, and best place to run the operations through agility in addressing client needs. When contributing to Accenture's information technology effectiveness, sourcing not only brings substantial benefits but also requires attentively managing the outsourcing connections as it should be kept aligned with the Accenture's IT strategy, sustained data technology protocols, and privacy policy, as well as promoting effective communication channels and collaboration. Through the utilization capabilities provided by outsourcing and by avoiding some possible risks, Accenture can maintain its reputation as an industry leader by providing customers with superior industry services and solutions.